replacing oil on Peugeot 208 with 1.2 liter engine, PureTech HMZ. You need 3.2 liters of C2 oil with PSA B71 2312. This is oil filter and oil ring for plug. First thing to do is to unscrew the protection of engine. It mounted on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Now when the engine cover removed, you can unscrew the oil drain plug. Now it's time to unscrew the oil filter. So if somebody don't screw the oil filter by hand and use tools, it can be stuck. The way to unscrew the stuck oil filter is to pierce it with a screwdriver, and then you get additional force to rotate it. As you see, now it's rotating. After you untied it, it can be removed by hand. Now it's time to install new oil filter. I'm using MANN filters because of this, I think, quality product. Before installation, don't forget to add some oil to this oil ring. Someone pre-filling these filters, I think this is not necessary, because that oil pump do the pressure in less than 1 second. I always screw the oil filters by the hand and not recommend to use some tools for this procedure. Screw until you feel it tight, and then make one move. Okay. Now let's go to the drain plug. I've cleared drain plug and use this oil ring by Elring. Always change oil ring on the drain plug. Now we're ready to install it back. Now we're ready to refill the engine with new oil.
No, no, no!
Now when it's filled with 3 liters of oil, wait some time and check the oil level.
A few moments later.
Now start the engine and run for nearly 10 seconds. Wait some time and recheck oil level.